To back up all of your WhatsApp chats or messages, tap on these three dots, go to the settings, then chats, and at the bottom, open the chat backup option. Now firstly, you have to select your Google account in which you want your WhatsApp messages to be backed up. And in the frequency option, you can customize whether you want your WhatsApp messages to be backed up on a daily, weekly or a monthly basis. And turn on this option if you want to back up your videos as well. Now, once everything is done, tap on this backup option and it will back up all of your WhatsApp chats and media to your selected Google account. Now to restore WhatsApp chats, tap on Agree and Continue and verify your phone number. Once you verify, it will automatically look for backups if there are any. Once found, just tap on the Restore button and all of your WhatsApp chats and media will be restored. Now if you found this video helpful, do like it and subscribe.